I made this Royal Mango Lassi really thick and ice cold, exactly how I like it. Not watery, not overly sweet, and with the saffron and cardamom in there, it honestly tastes like something you would order at a really good Indian restaurant. Let's start making this simple, creamy, and absolutely irresistible Royal Mango Lassi. Start with ripe sweet mangoes and cut into them with using a crisscross pattern. I always add the cardamom at the end for this lassi because the aroma stays much fresher that way, especially in cold drinks like mango lassi. That slow, thick Royal Mango Lassi pour is exactly what you want. Thick enough to coat the glass, super creamy and full of real mango flavor. The cubes slide right out and they stay super juicy. And seriously, once the saffron and cardamom hit the blender, the kitchen smells warm, floral and slightly sweet, so good. Now before blending, take a few saffron strands and crush them gently. Pour over some warm milk and let it sit for a few minutes. Don't skip this part. You can literally see the milk turn golden after a few seconds, and the saffron flavor becomes so much richer and deeper after soaking it. And that saffron, mango and cardamom combination at the end, seriously hard to stop drinking. Even after the glass is empty, the flavor stays with you. Now into the blender goes the mangoes, thick Greek yogurt or any yogurt of your choice, chilled milk, sweetened condensed milk, saffron infused milk, and a few ice cubes. This is what gives the lassi that thick restaurant-style texture, almost milkshake-like but still light and refreshing. Blend until completely smooth. Now add freshly ground cardamom powder and give it one last quick blend. Okay, this part right here, my favorite. Add some chopped mangoes to the bottom of the glass and lightly muddle them. You can still get little juicy mango bites in between all that creamy lassi, and honestly, that texture is my favorite part. Now spread thick Greek yogurt around the inside of the glass. This instantly makes it look expensive. And once the nuts stick to the yogurt, it looks exactly like something from a restaurant dessert menu. Now sprinkle on some chopped almonds, pistachios, cashews, and dried rose petals. And slowly pour in the chilled Royal Mango Lassi. Finish with some more nuts of your choice, saffron strands, dried rose petals, and just a little edible silver leaf on top for that final royal touch. This is the kind of drink people keep sipping long after they are full. And somehow it tastes even better once it gets really cold. If you enjoyed this creamy, dreamy, easy peasy Royal Mango Lassi recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my Ginger Garlic Kitchen channel for more easy and delicious recipes. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking. See you next time.